Welcome to this edition of DDOT Direct, an opportunity for us to directly share with you the latest news with the District Department of Transportation. DDOT wants your input on Move DC. That's the district's long-range transportation plan. Whether you're concerned about faster travel times or more safety for pedestrians, cyclists, and drivers, or maybe you have thoughts on how DDOT should dedicate roadway space, we want to hear from you. Take the Move DC Phase 2 survey and share with us what your priorities are. DDOT, partnered with the National Highway Transportation Administration, is offering $200,000 in grant funds to support programs improving traffic safety in the district. The goal is to pinpoint designs that prevent traffic-related deaths and injury on DC streets. Many types of organizations can apply. To learn more about the requirements, head over to the DDOT Direct website at ddot.dc.gov/DDOT Direct. Did you know DDOT planted about 8,060 trees last year and plans to exceed that number in 2021? Arbor Day is April 30th, and our urban forestry team will spend the entire month of April helping us celebrate all things trees. Multiple virtual events are scheduled, including our first poetry contest, an interactive way to highlight the many benefits trees provide, this through the art of poetry. For more information, visit us online at DDOT Direct. You can also follow the hashtag Arbor Day at Home. And let's not forget about all of the upcoming public meetings DDOT will virtually host. If you're interested in participating in any or all, visit the DDOT Direct website. And we're excited to announce all of our public meetings will now be broadcast live from the DDOT Facebook page. That's the latest here with the District Department of Transportation. Thanks for checking out this edition of DDOT Direct.